Hi, I'm Dan and I'm the founder of Verti-Grow, a company whose business is to work with nature to make our indoor and outdoor spaces healthier and happier. We are launching this campaign because the building we are in right now is being sold, so we have to move to a new place and we have to move quickly, and we need your help. We are a very close-knit company that has self-funded over the years to grow into a team of 6 friends that love to create green services and products for anyone's space. We are a one-stop shop and carry out all of our design, production, installations and maintenance in-house. We work with natural materials such as preserved moss, real plants and timber, and strive to leave no mark on the earth or our environment, with the vast majority of our production and products being biodegradable, sustainable and carbon neutral. Luckily, we have found a new place, but we need help with the cost of the move and the build. The new place needs work done to it, such as a mezzanine, partition wall and racking, and then we have to dismantle everything here, rent vehicles, get more help and move everything over and set it up all over again. Any help given is greatly appreciated and it really does mean a lot to us, and we're offering a range of perks such as discounted pieces such as this one, so please check them out, and you can follow our progress by subscribing to our site and our social media channels, and again thank you to everyone that helps out.